Okay, so welcome to Black Fruits Part 2. Guess the fruit. And we'll continue to up to 10 black fruits, just like earlier, Part 1. Let's get started. Continued. Guess this black fruit. It's a sand. Guess this black fruit. It's a flame. Guess this black fruit. It's a spike. So guess this black fruit. It's a smoke. Lastly, guess this black fruit. It's a bomb. Comment down below your scores.